My name is Leanne and I'm a veterinary nurse. The veterinary profession often warns owners against the dangers of feeding certain human-safe products, but have you ever wondered why they're unsafe for your pet? This video is going to explain exactly why. Organ damage in your animals can occur from feeding certain products. The kidneys and liver can be affected, also the heart, the brain and central nervous system, and the red blood cells that circulate throughout their bodies. If you're a dog owner, you may have had paracetamol prescribed by your vets before. Paracetamol is safe for dogs. However, for cats it's extremely dangerous, and small amounts can be fatal. Paracetamol can cause liver damage, which prevents it from working effectively, and it can also damage the red blood cells, reducing their oxygen-carrying abilities. Ibuprofen, on the other hand, can be dangerous to both dogs and cats. It can cause liver damage, which will prevent the liver from working effectively. Some tablets also have a sugar coating, which is made of artificial sweetener. This can also have risk in itself. Please see later in the video. Chocolate toxicity is a common problem we see in practice. There's a chemical in chocolate which causes the toxicity is called theobromine. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder contain a higher quantity of theobromine than milk and white chocolate. However, all chocolate toxicity should be discussed with your veterinary practice. Toxicity can cause the heart to beat too fast, which is called tachycardia. It can also interfere with the central nervous system and possibly cause seizures. Grapes, raisins, sultanas and currants can cause kidney damage, preventing the kidneys from working effectively. Urgent treatment is required as there is no calculable quantity that is considered safe and every animal is different. Therefore, treatment should be initiated immediately. Even a small amount can cause damage in some animals. Xylitol is an artificial sweetener which, if ingested by your pet, can cause a large release of insulin, which in turn causes the blood sugar to drop dramatically. This can be fatal. Xylitol can be found in chewing gum, coating some medications, diabetic sugar-free sweets, some peanut butter and chocolate. Onions and garlic are also dangerous to our pets. Thiosulfate is the chemical that causes the toxicity. This chemical damages red blood cells and could possibly lead to anemia. Animals suffering from anemia may require a blood transfusion, or it can even be fatal. Cats are more affected by the ingestion of onion and garlic, however dogs are also at risk. If you think your pet may have eaten something they shouldn't, you should retain any packaging to show your veterinary surgeon. This is so that they can see the ingredients list or report what has been ingested to the Animal Poisons Information Service. They can then look up the toxins and assess the risk. You should prevent further ingestion by removing the toxic product away from your animal and prevent your pet licking any contaminated fur. You can call your veterinary practice for advice, or you can call the Animal Poisons line yourself. They will give you advice on whether attending the practice is required.